Welcome to Florence. Today I will take you in a journey in a 17th century palazzo. Just a few steps from Duomo and Piazza Santissima Annunziata. This historic residence, once owned by the architect Bernardo Buontalenti, is the perfect blend of artistic heritage and modern refinement. Let's go inside to see it. Currently divided in two prestigious apartments, this property offers the opportunity to be acquired in its entirety as a grand and elegant home for a total price of 5.750 million. Each apartment has been completely restored with an amazing view of Duomo, high ceiling and frescoes. Both residences are fully furnished and they are ready to move in. They are completely equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, air conditioning and private laundry spaces. Now we are inside the first apartment, which is accessible through a grand staircase from the Palazzo. Covering 210 square meters, it includes 2 master bedrooms featuring fresco ceiling, 4 refined bathrooms, an elegant and super bright living area, which presents a beautiful balcony with direct view of the Duomo, a rare privilege of Florence Historic Center. Then there is a beautiful design kitchen. Now we are in the second apartment, accessible through the elevator of the Palazzo. The apartment spans 210 square meters and includes 2 bright master bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with marble finishes, and the unique, completely frescoed living room that originally was the library of the Palazzo. An extremely bright living area and a refined modern kitchen with marble flooring and a laundry functional room. And here we can admire the incredible frescoes that actually are the best preserved in the entire palazzo. They are very, very beautiful. And now we are in the master suite of the apartment with ensuite bathroom, a walk-in closet and the direct access to the balcony with the view of Duomo. This residence is a rare opportunity to own a piece of Florence history, whether as 2 refined apartments or a single prestigious home. We can say a timeless masterpiece, perfectly positioned to embrace the best the city can offer. Thank you for joining us in this journey, and we see you soon in a next exclusive property tour. Bye!